prosecution. I don't see a defense here. Has anyone attempted to call him?
He's behind here. I'll get him in.
Ah,
So just turn around for me. I'll give you a quick search, okay? Anthony, I know that 6 out para pouco. You're free to come in.
all right. My name is Magistrate Woodman. I'm here today to hear the court case of Victoria Police versus Mr. Mang. Don't tolerate any outbreaks of yelling within my courtroom. Deputy will be handing out contempt of court if there are any breaches of this rule. Victoria Police, please step forward. Identify yourself with your name and rank, and have your list of charges ready.
Hello, Your Honour. I am Detective Senior Constable Peggy Bacon, and to my left is Detective Senior Constable Karim Catcher. The charges we will be seeking today are possession of a weapon, firearm, without legal authority, proceeds of crime, large quantity of a drug of dependence, drug trafficking, and being in control of body armour without authorisation.
I see. What evidence do you have for me today?
I will be providing a document case with photos and documents that ascertain the warrant, as well as photographs of the individual's boot and what was confiscated from the raid, as well as my own testimony.
Very good. Do you have any witnesses as well, or is it just your own testimony today?
It's just my own testimony.
Oh, very good, very good. All right, I'll just step forward, and I don't see any sheriffs here, so yes, please step forward and just hand over that case to me, please. Thank you. All right, take a seat. All right, defense, please step forward, and would you like me to read out the charges for you and explain them to you?
No, Your Honor, I understand.
You understand all the charges completely?
Yep.
Alrighty, so are you willing to, just reading through the list here, do you wish for me to read them out and you can be pleased guilty or not guilty, or are you going to be going for a blanket not guilty for all?
Blanket not guilty for all.
Blanket not guilty? Okay. I see you're representing yourself. You couldn't get a lawyer, or did you attempt to get one?
No, I couldn't get a lawyer, Your Honor.
I see. What evidence are we bringing forth today?
Your Honor, on my copy of the search warrant, it doesn't state what vehicles were to be searched, so I'm trying to file for a illegal search and seizure.
I see. In regards to our search warrants, they don't actually specifically state a vehicle, as in a number plate or a type or anything like that. What it'll actually say is a number of vehicles, either 1 through to 10, or it could be an address or something like that.
On my copy of the search warrant, it doesn't state.
Oh, okay. Please take a seat. I'll have a look at that search warrant later on, or unless you wish to come forward and give that to me now.
I'd like to present it now.
Yes, please, come forward. Alright, thank you. Alright, please take a seat. Prosecution, step forward. You have 8 minutes to present your entire case.
Thank you, Your Honor. So on February 17th at 7 p.m, myself and Detective Karim Catcher successfully gathered a search warrant for 3 of the defendant's vehicles from Senior Magistrate Savannah Supreme on suspicion of drug trafficking. As we are pushing for a drug trafficking charge here, I will quickly just go over the warrant. On February 17th at 5:50 p.m, Victoria Police received multiple calls in regards to an individual believed to be trafficking drugs at the Los Santos International Airport. Mel 220, consisting of myself and Detective Karim Catcher, attended the calls where we photographed the defendant performing multiple handoffs to the locals in the area. We followed the defendant to the nearby garage where he retrieved 2 other vehicles out and rummaged through the boots before returning them back to the garage. All of this was photographed and has been submitted into evidence. The 3 vehicles he retrieved are the 3 vehicles we searched, which ultimately led us to confiscating the following: 1 Tech 9 machine pistol, 1 Uzi SMG, $17,400 of proceeds of crime, 2 heavy-duty body armors, 13.5 kilos of marijuana, 14.35 kilos of cocaine, and 3 shotgun shells. As we successfully found and confiscated the drugs from his vehicle, that led us to strongly believe that he was in fact trafficking drugs down at the Los Santos International Airport that day. Also, my warrant that will be in the evidence folder that I have given you will state that it's 3 vehicles that I'm able to search.
I'll
Check the photo.
photos in my chambers. I'm assuming they all have their number plates and things clearly visible.
Correct.
Excellent. All right, continue, please.
I rest my case there, Your Honor.
All right, very good. Please take a seat. Defense, please step forward and state your case. You also have 8 minutes to do so.
Well, Your Honor, on that day, I was at the airport waiting for a mate to pick up. I do not recall selling any type of drugs to any person whatsoever. Afterwards, I did proceed to my garage to then search the vehicles because my mate did not end up flying in. And yeah, that's all I can really tell you.
All right. Does the defense rest?
Yep.
All right, fantastic. Please take a seat. All right, I'm just going to adjourn to my chambers for several minutes to review defense documents and the documents and photos from prosecution. Our court is adjourned until a return.
Let's have a look at the stuff. Tony search warrant. Oh, his vehicle's allowed blank. Pretty sure that's supposed to be a number. Oh shit, that's a lot. This down here. This down here as well. I'm gonna mess them up. Jesus. Jesus. Oh my god, it's gonna take me forever. I can just read that, yes. Male legal trade, okay, male, yep. Very good. And they've got the address down the bottom of the photos, which is excellent. Oh wow. This guy will sell a lot of gear. What have we got here? Okay, so hang on, where's a photo of him with his car? Okay, that's him accessing his car. Accessing another car. Let's see. Okay, that's all 3 cars. Obviously, they got all the photos. The 3 boots. Okay, that's him down the airport, righto. That photo should have been up higher, so that's 156. Which is this guy? Mr. Mang. very thorough with their paperwork. Oh, and they got a sign on photo too. That's awesome. Affidavit search warrant. Okay, this is the warrant that she was reading out. Right, which Supreme allowed. We'll pull all that stuff back. Attempt in the order that it was taken out. 2 search warrants. And we've got. Jesus. Not working? Ah, shit. They got bad photos. No one works. 49 bags of chronic. Yeah, photo's broken. Sometimes the photos break and they just annoying. Some more chronic, some cocaine. Red dongle, bat. Red dongle's illegal. More rolled bills. Okay, that's all the contraband, righto. Alright. And 2 heavy bulletproof. Okay, righto, that must have been the first one. Sweet. I'm just going to chuck it all back in here because it's a lot. A lot of stuff. That's just a copy of what's already in the document folder. Alright. Wait for that order to finish.
Alright, sorry it took me so long. There's a lot there to go through from the prosecution side. So in regards to all the charges, I find the defense guilty on all counts. They will be receiving, actually, it's a good question, is what's this particular individual's criminal history, prosecution? Is it extensive?
I do believe that he doesn't have an extensive criminal history. I
Has
can
there
just
been-
double check for you.
Has there
Just
been
one-
a lot in regards to proceeds of crime and drugs and things like that?
Yeah, he does have a few. Yeah, trafficking of drug dependence, possession of drug dependence, possession of a large quantity.
How old are these charges?
A week or so ago.
I see. Okay, that's fair enough. What kind of sentencing would Victoria Police be seeking today, taking in that bit of information?
We're currently looking for maximum.
Excellent. Alright, Mr. Mang, you'll be receiving 140 weeks within Port Phillip. My ruling is final. Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll give you
just
back
want to
your
call you.
evidence here.
Oh, yeah, perfect. Thank you.
If you're stuck, I'll grab you.
I'll need to give him back his as well.
Yep.
Hang on 1 second. In regards to the search warrants and vehicles, the standard for being cars or warrants is usually a numbered. If it was blank, it was probably because it wouldn't accept the number 3. However, the prosecution had enough photographic evidence of you on scene, accessing your vehicles, the garage, and things like that, that maybe they might share it with you later on, but yeah, it was very open and shut. A very thorough case, well put together.
Thank you.
All right.
Just follow me,
Have-
so.
Have a good evening, everybody.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. See you later.
That was actually a really well put together case. Hell of a good bust. Yeah, court case over.